Hi guys, someone has today asked me, should you give up something you have been unable to succeed in more than 3 or 4 times? Okay, I'll discuss this topic with the help of a story. There was a little kid, Raman. He was always fascinated by coconut trees. Whenever he would see someone climb the tree, he would want to climb it himself. But he was a little kid, he couldn't climb the tree. One day his cousin, who was a little elder to him, climbed the coconut tree and brought back 2 coconuts. That day he decided that no matter whatever happens, maybe he falls, but he will try and climb the coconut tree and get some coconuts back. Next morning, without informing his parents, who would obviously say a no to him, refuse, he went away to a coconut tree and tried climbing the tree. For the next half an hour, he tried climbing the tree but failed each time. Every time he fell down, bruised his legs, bruised his hands, he felt tired and finally he decided to return home empty-handed. As he turned around, he saw his father. He was shocked. He couldn't believe that he escaped the house without informing his parents and his father was standing there. He was afraid what would his father say. He would shout at him, but his father only smiled. He said, "Raman, why are you going back? I have seen you haven't still climbed the tree." Raman said, "Father, I am not able to climb the tree. It's impossible for me. I tried many times, so I am returning home." Listening to this, his father laughed. He said, "That's it. Only 3 or 4 times you tried climbing the tree and you are done with it. This is not even a start, my child. Fail at least 10 times. You'll learn 10 good lessons. Practice them. Improve. That would be the actual start for you. This is not even a start. This is just the preliminary preparation process. You fail a few times, you learn, and then you make a good start. And you are ending your goal. No, my son, no. I am standing here, try climbing more." The little child, motivated by his father's pearls of wisdom, started climbing the tree again. For the next 1 hour, he kept practicing. Since then, every morning his father brought him to the coconut tree and he practiced for an hour climbing the tree. After countless bruises, falls, disappointments, failures, finally he learned to climb the tree. One day he climbed the tree on his own and brought back 2 coconuts, one for himself and one for his father. The father and son drank the divine water and felt really happy and proud of themselves. But the father still didn't let Raman stop climbing. Every morning he would still bring Raman. He said, "Raman, now you need to achieve perfection, you need to improve. You need to be the best climber." Raman also continued his practice. A few years later, Raman, now a young man, was famous in all over the village and the nearby towns as the fastest climber of coconut tree. People would visit from other towns to see Raman climb the tree. He was so fast, he was so precise, so accurate, people would appreciate and clap and enjoy seeing him climb the tree. In fact, he became more famous than the coconut for which he started climbing. So my friends, real trying only starts once you fail 3 or 4 times. People ask me that whether they should give up their goals after trying 3 or 4 times and failing. I say that you have not even started yet. First few failures are just the preliminary process to learn crucial lessons. After that, you make a start. So don't get too much affected by your failures. Use them as a critical lesson. Improve yourself. Learn good things. And then after the first few failures, you genuinely try. And trying is something which never ends. Improving is something which never ends. Once you have picked up a passion, there is no looking back. You have to fall countless times, you have to rise countless times, you have to make efforts, you have to learn. You have to succeed. Don't even evaluate yourself until you have given a month or a year for your goals. You have tried countless times. You realize that you have improved a lot. Then only evaluate your performance, not before that. So guys, once you have picked up a goal, don't look back, don't look up, don't look down, just focus on your goal, fall and rise and learn. And I am sure someday you will succeed.